Alam mo ba, dumating na yung yung sinasabi kong pangarap ko. Ito, yung sapatos sa pangarap ko. Ito na, andito na. Nagkaroon na ako ng cellphone. Ang pogi, diba? Tanggalin natin. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan o, ayan siya o. Oh. Ayan. Inchik yung sulat, no? Ang astig, no? Guwapo, men. Bakit? Diba? Ang pogi, no? Sobrang pogi, men, no? Oh. Grabe. Ang ganda niya talaga. Oh. Isusuot ko bukas to. Malapit to. Maganda to. Susuot ko bukas. Tapos pagsuot ko to, may inggit sila sa akin. No? Kasi ako na may ganito, no? Tapos pagtitingin pa nila ako, no? Pagsuot ko to, no? Diba? Tapos meron daw ako medyas na gano'n, no? Chotan din, no? Napaka-pogi, no? Update ko kayo, susuot ko. Pakita ko sa'yo kung ano sasabihin nila.
Wow, ganda na sa oras mo. Ano yan? Jordan?
Hindi, mas maganda sa Chotan. Ito yung Chotan.
Wow. Wow. Grabe. Ganda ng kulay.
Mga Chinese bird nito.
May medyas pa.
Anong brand?
Parang Chotan.
Anong brand?
Chotan na. Maganda.
Maganda.
Ang sobrang ganda.
Sobrang pogi.
Chopan.
What you are looking at is more than just a piece of footwear. It is a silhouette that defines decades of culture. These are Nike Air and Q1 high tops, and they carry the spirit of an icon. The design is unmistakable for high top profile. The robust structure, the lines that look as fresh today as they did 40 years ago. This shape is the foundation of modern sneaker culture, a true architectural marvel. This Kiauden captures the very essence, standing tall and proud. It's a tribute built to last, honoring the greatest sneaker story ever told. But the magic of this shoe is in the color. The legendary triad known simply as Chicago. The deep, almost blood red accents flow perfectly against the crisp, bright white leather. The black provides the crucial grounding element, the anchor on the swoosh and the collar, a flawless contrast that makes every detail pop. It's a colorway that speaks of dominance, confidence, and victory. It's vibrant, it's bold, and it commands attention in a way few other combinations ever can. In the slow motion light, you can almost see the history woven into every panel. We live in a time where the original Chicago colorway, especially the recent lost and found version, has become a near mythic object. They are shoes defined by their scarcity and their astronomical resale price. For many of us, the immense hype cycle has pushed these classics out of reach. They are no longer shoes to be worn and enjoyed. They are investments to be stored in a box. I refuse to let that culture dictate my personal style. This Kiao An Q1 is my statement against that exclusivity. I chose this because I believe the greatest design should be worn and celebrated every single day, not locked away. These shoes give me the feeling of wearing heritage, but with zero stress. The materials are durable. They are built for the life of the street, not the glass case of a collector. When I lace them up, I feel that classic, grounded confidence. They are substantial, comfortable, and they absolutely deliver on the aesthetic promise of the Chicago colorway. They allow me to pay respect to the iconic design, to participate in the culture, without worrying about scuffing a shoe that costs thousands of dollars. They are practical elements. These Kiao Dan Q1S are more than a budget choice. They are a conscious choice, a choice to prioritize wearable style and accessibility over unattainable hype. They prove that the spirit of a legendary design can be perfectly captured and appreciated without succumbing to the fever pitch of the resale market. They are, quite simply, the Chicago legend, ready to walk, all of the style and none of the pressure. But let's be clear, while these shoes carry the spirit of an icon, they are a product of their own time and their own ambition. This is the Kiao An Q1, representing a brand with a mission beyond imitation. Kiao An is a prominent name in the sportswear landscape, built on a philosophy of providing accessible, reliable gear to a massive audience. They are a company focused on their own trajectory, sponsoring international and university sports events and designing their own performance lines. When you look past the familiar silhouettes,
So,
you realize
ito, hanapin niyo na yung iba. Ito. Ito na siya.
One that prioritizes value, durability, and bold
So,
self-expression.
sine-check ko yung...
This isn't a shadow, it's a solid, functional sneaker from a brand that
Hindi
is
naman siya
establishing
leather.
its own story one step at a time. And that, in itself, is a powerful statement.
Pero matibay siya kasi binukbuk ko siya sa tangguan. Feeling ko yung pagka-synthetic niya hindi kagaya ng Tech 300 na na yung mukhang hindi siya napupunit makunat siya. Tsaka sobrang komportable niya, tapos yung fit niya sa pag nasa loob yung paa ko, ang ganda ng lapat niya, mas pa siya, ito, kumpara ko siya dito sa J1 dumadumi lang yan kasi galing yan sa kong bahay, pinagkukuha ko yung mga sapatos ko. Compare ko siya dito, medyo makipot to, hindi ganun ka-komportable, pero ito napaka-komportable yan. So sa mga susunod na araw o pag nagtagal gagamitin ko siya ng gagamitin, titignan ko kung gaano siya katibay. Pero tingin ko talaga matibay siya, makapal makunat to. Tapos ito hindi nalulukot tong red na part. Siyempre high tech to Jordan yan